Welcome back to the Roy Garage. Today you're going to be watching Jake show us how to fill our fat sacks on our boat, and I get some mediocre drone footage. Let's get started. All right guys, we're gonna do some surfing. In order to get the biggest, luscious wave that we want, we're gonna set up our fat sacks. We have 3 fat sacks. One goes behind this compartment, one goes behind that one. Those 2 are 350 pounds, and then we have one that's gonna go up behind you that's 540 pounds. Let's see what that looks like.
Watching people. We're working fast.
Alright guys, we got our pump here, we got our fat sack placed, so we're gonna plug this bad boy in and start filling it up. This pump's about 100 gallons a minute. All right guys, we got this front one filled up. Now we're gonna head to the back. All right, Dad, plug her in. All right, Dad. There we go. All right guys, and last but not least, the surf wedge. We wanna surf on this side, so we're gonna put the surf wedge on this side of the boat. First we hook this on, so that way we don't lose it. And we're gonna find a spot, throw it on there. Give it some good tugs. She's not going nowhere. Now Lee's gonna set up the rope, and we're gonna go surfing. What do you think, Jake? How come I can't land it? I mean, the wave is luscious. The wave is luscious.
Jake, you got to give us the conclusion.
Fat sacks are a must. You gotta have these things going throughout that massive wake, because it just makes it long and juicy. If you don't have them, you're looking at a softer wake, you kind of gotta go a little bit slower, a little less forgiveness. Fat sacks.
Whoop, whoop.
Hey Jake, they call this drone footage.